Good morning. It is Tuesday, November 17th. Today, your activity is going to be finishing up checkpoint 2, which is labeled 1A balanced/unbalanced forces. You're going to go to your year view and you're going to click the forces in motion project. We are on the 1A balanced/unbalanced forces and net force. So yesterday, we did the definitions of balanced forces and unbalanced forces. We also did the definition of net force. Yesterday, we also did some practice with net force and calculating net force, but today you're actually going to do this section down here on your own. I'm going to do a couple with you, but then the rest are on you, and you're going to take care of those on your own. So you will want a piece of paper out to draw these little diagrams to help you calculate the net force. So I'm going to show you how to do the first one. So to the left, we have 5 newtons. And then we have to the left again is 5 newtons. So I'm putting that on my left, under my left arrow. And then we have 5 newtons pushing to the right. So what I'm going to do first is I have to add my 5 newtons plus 5 newtons together. So 5 plus 5 is 10 newtons. And so what you're going to do next is you're going to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So I'm going to subtract the 5 from the 10. So I'll pull it down and do 5 newtons, 10 minus 5 newtons, which equals 5 newtons to the left. So that is why you see that they have 5 newtons pushing to the left. And so what you might have to do to get the arrow is you might have to highlight it and then click Control-C to copy, and then click Control-V to paste it so that you have the arrow showing which direction, because you're going to want to tell how much is the net force and the direction of the net force. All right, so let's do a second one. Okay, so a second one says we've got 10 newtons pushing to the left, so I'll put 10 newtons under my left arrow. And then that's also another 2 newtons under the left. So I'm just going to add 10 plus 2. And that will give me 12 newtons pushing to the left. Okay, so I would just highlight the arrow showing to the left and then put 12 newtons. Okay, now I'm going to make up my own real quick so that I can show you another practice problem without doing all these. So we might have 10 newtons to the left, 5 newtons to the right, 6 newtons to the right again. Okay, so here is what we have going on. I'm going to draw my T-chart to do the math. I'm going to have my right and my left arrows. Got my right and my left arrows. And we've got 10 newtons on the left side, and we have 5 newtons on the right, and then again we have 6 newtons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 5 and the 6 together, which gives me 11 newtons of force on the right. And then I will subtract the 10 from 11, which will give me 1 newton of force pushing to the right. Okay. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask for help, and your science teachers will be more than happy to help you. And have a wonderful day. Make sure you request feedback. And if you still have not done checkpoint 1, you need to do that. There are wonderful directions that I can show you. If you go to Google Classroom, this will be posted as a link for you to use to help you with any of your checkpoints. There are going to be video links for every checkpoint that tells you how to do it. So if you have questions, start there and then ask your teacher. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.